Here my project with Hotend cover. It's not perfect and plenty room for improvements, so today I want to fix it a little bit. One of many things which I want to fix in this model is holes for fan. First there is recess for hot-end cooler, big hole for airflow, and holes for fasteners. And problem here is that airflow hole and fastener holes not linked properly to recess. So if I change position or size, I have to manually update holes. This fix actually easy. First I need to make a new sketch and copy holes to it. Next make recess sketch visible and apply external geometry to fan sketch. Now I can remove all axis linked dimensions and replace it with external geometry linked dimension, and remove air hole, it have to be moved to another sketch. Cooler is 40 by 40 millimeters, and recess is 41 by 41 millimeters, 1 extra millimeter just in case. Between hole and edge of cooler about 1.3 millimeters, so circles should be on distance of 1.8 millimeters. Since this hole's for fasteners, it should have threads. I'm going to use 3mm bolts. Select ISO metric profile. Type of bolt is M3 and 7mm deep. For some reason it didn't work the first time, but after some wiggle I got my threads. Now to air hole, I just removed fastener holes, I don't need them here anymore. And again, external geometry. Some dimensions, just to assure it's centered. And now it's time to use hole tool. Looks good. Now I can make changes to recess without worrying about holes. Same problem with holes for plastic cooler. To direct airflow, there will be part connected by magnets. Cooler extrusion should at bottom of cover, so I'll link it to edge. The cooler is shaped like a snail, and the airflow will be directed downwards, so I'll link holes offset to bottom edge of cover instead of axis. And here I'm like an idiot trying to sketch on inner plane. For some reason I thought that view section mode won't work. Sometimes there is a problem with making changes previous sketches. In such cases, removing change on top of it and applying again might help, if not just copy object inside sketch and paste it to new sketch on same plane. And here I'm like an idiot trying to sketch on inner plane. For some reason I thought that view section mode won't work. After a little suffering I finally tried and it worked. Successfully added recess for bolt head. That's all for current fix. Thanks for watching.